How to unpoke someone on Facebook on Android. This tutorial shows you how to dismiss a poke you've already sent to someone. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. After that, tap the three lines at the top left corner to open the menu from the bottom. From there, scroll down and tap on See More to expand the full list of options. At this point, find Pokes from the list and tap on it to open the Pokes page. In the next step, look for the person you previously poked and long press on their name. Following this, a pop-up will appear at the bottom of your screen with two options, View Profile and Dismiss Poke. Once done, tap on Dismiss Poke to proceed with removing the poke. From here, a confirmation box will appear asking you to confirm your decision. Finally, tap Dismiss once more to confirm, and the poke will be removed right away. And that's it! If this guide helped you unpoke someone on Facebook on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Facebook tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one!